Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna discuss about Meru services for agriculture industry. These are some topics we're gonna cover in this video. We'll start with income and revenue, then we'll go to inventory management, account receivable and payable, bank and credit card reconciliations, payroll and labor, depreciation and amortization, tax compliance and financial analysis. So let's start with income and revenue. In this, we record all your source of income such as sales, crops, livestock and your agriculture products. We ensure that all sales are properly documented and classified according to their appropriate categories. And we also keep record of your all expenses related to the agriculture operations, including your investment, like what you have invested for the seeds, fertilizer, pesticides, labors, machinery equipments, and the repairs you had for your vehicles like tractor, etc., and the utilities, what you have utilized through your producing phase like water, etc. Categorize expenses accurately to monitor and analyze your cost. Then we do inventory management. We regularly update and reconcile inventory records to reflect the value of your agriculture products, crops or livestock on hand. This includes tracking quantities, prices and any changes in your value. Then we do accounting receivable and payable. We monitor accounts receivable from customers and ensure timely collection of payments. Likewise, to keep track of account payable to suppliers, ensuring bills are paid on time, and to maintain good relationship with your suppliers. Then we do bank and credit card reconciliations. We regularly reconcile bank and your credit card statements with your bookkeeping records, which helps to identify any errors or missing transaction, and we ensure accurate financial reporting in this. Payroll and labor. We maintain detailed record of your employee wages and their benefits like insurance, etc., and the payroll taxes. Comply with labor regulations like their laws and etc. Record their working hour accurately, how much hours they have worked on your field, and we calculate and withhold appropriate taxes on that. Then we'll come to depreciation and amortization. In this, we account for the depreciation of your assets such as machinery equipments, vehicles over their useful lives, and similarly considered amortization for intangible assets. Intangible assets means the documented assets you have like the patents, licenses, etc. Accurate tracking, and we ensure proper valuation and tax compliance in this. Tax compliance. In tax compliance, we stay updated on tax laws, regulations and specific to the agriculture industry. Accurately calculate and report income, expenses and deductions, ensuring compliance with local, state and federal requirements. Then we do financial analysis. Financial analysis, we regularly review and analyze your financial statements to gain insight into your financial health of your agriculture business, how you are going through the years. In this, we help you to identify the areas for your improvement. We monitor profitability and make informed decisions to grow your business in future. And secondly, we maintain and organize and securely records for the required period, typically for several years, I think. And then this includes your financial statements, invoices, some receipts and bank statements.